When you receive your Panther unit and open it up, you'll see here that you have the user manual, a warranty card, a calibration certificate, and a quick start guide. The Panther unit comes with a protective cover. You can use this testing, and you can also take it off to reveal a smaller probe to get in a tighter spot, as well as a protective cover that comes with this to make sure you don't damage the probe. Also in the box, there's the power supply, as well as a box wrench used to replace and fix the probe if it's ever damaged. If you choose to go with the Panther Pro version, it comes with many different accessories like the flexible probe to get in a tighter spot. It also comes with a Bluetooth dongle and a USB port for data logging and collection up to 10 days.
For more information or to purchase a Panther Helium and multi-gas handheld leak detector, go to portableleakdetectors.com.